Mitsubishi Montero Sport is one of the most popular 7-seater SUV. It continues to gain popularity not just as a status symbol but as a family car and a tough, reliable mid-size body-on-frame SUV on and off the road. The 6-year-old design gets major changes on the fascia that include an improved dynamic shield design concept with an added slat in the grille to make it look fuller and more futuristic. A reconfigured front lighting system with dual-layer LED headlamps and the daytime running lights DRLs combo, and the large aperture right below holds the LED fog lamps and turn signal indicators. It gets LED tail lights, new and more elaborate underbody garnishes, front and back, and a reshaped rear spoiler. The Montero Sport measures 4,825mm long, 1,815mm wide. The wheelbase measures 2,800mm and 218mm of ground clearance. The Mitsubishi Montero Sport employed a simple-to-operate, straightforward dashboard. The dashboard is mainly composed of materials such as piano black plastics, polyurethane, and satin chrome plastics. Leather seats for the range toppers come with motorized adjustments. The Mitsubishi Montero Sport has plenty of space and has an expandable cargo volume because of its configurable seats. The GT variant is equipped with an infotainment system, 8-inch LCD located on the instrument cluster, an Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, and a power tailgate. The GT and GLS variants both feature reverse sensors, the TomTom navigation, and the reverse camera. Cruise control is also included, which comes as standard. Now, no changes were made to this variant in case you are wondering. It still comes with a 2.4-litre turbo diesel that generates 176 horsepower and 430 Nm of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. It also still comes with paddle shifters and Mitsubishi's electronic dial Super Select 4-wheel drive 2 feature, which enables the selection between 2H, 4H, 4HLC and 4LLC drive modes.